Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. I am Delivered Golden Brittle Wolf, and today I'm doing the last and final Withered animatronic Let's Play for you guys. I'm adjusting the camera, so it might take me a minute. Okay, I think we're good. We're filming, we are live. We're not live yet, though. We need 1,000 subscribers to do a live stream. Thank you for giving your participation to this series. Thank you so much for the support on this series. It's pretty great that you guys are showing support. So let's just do this. I'm gonna freaking do this. Yes! Actually, we might want to reload on our freaking weapons.
I got some great bargains for you there.
We can't let anything make us break character. Okay, let's go. I think we're good. Let's go this way. Yes, I'm Delivered Golden Brittle Wolf. You probably haven't seen me. You probably have. You probably seen my older and more advanced model. So I'm just gonna shoot this thing from here and just shoot it. I feel like this is the objective on this level. This fun, just kill anything in sight is what I'm talking about. Let's get over here. I wish it was like Jack and Dexter. Oh, I haven't seen that. No! Freaking no! Did I just get eaten by a giant freaking fish? Are you serious?
Hi there, Pussball.
I don't care. I just want to get this done. Get out of my freaking face, dude. I think you all are probably getting annoyed by this dude. I am too. Get freaking wrenched in the head. Yeah, get paralyzed. I hate you, tank. Get out of my freaking way. Haha. I'm having way too much fun. Why am I? Yes, my ear is missing. So we have to glide across here. Okay, we're not going to touch that. That's dynamite, so that's really bad. Don't freaking come over here and beat me up. You guys are going to get bombed. Oh, what's the freak is this freaking thing? I hate on every level, some levels, on every new level, you get more bad guys to fight. Get these bolts. I feel like we need to start collecting from now on. Bolts. We need bolts for weapons. Okay, these guys are going to come across the bridge. I'm just going to fire from all the way from over here. Fire with the blaster. Bridge these guys. Yeah, okay, you can't face Golden Brittle Wolf Fury. Deliver Golden Brittle Wolf Fury, actually, because I'm the delivered version. Okay, let's just blast this guy into oblivion. Get this guy. Hurry before he gets over here. Nope, I'm not gonna let you do that. I'm not gonna make the same mistake I did yesterday on this. We did this, but we didn't finish it. Just keep moving around and keep navigating. Oh, Burton should think about doing a Let's Play. Yeah, that would give him more views, but he's not going to get more views than us, though. I saw his video. I did not like it. I mean, I did, but I think you guys like this channel much better, though. Because, for one, okay, these guys are distracted by these dudes.
I got some great bargains for you there.
So, we're going to buy mostly everything here. I think that's what we're going to do. Okay. Oh, yes. Buy that. Yeah, come over here. Come over here. Nope. Not gonna let you happen. Shoot all these guys. Okay, let's see what this guy wants. What do you want?
Treat you. Okay, Ratchet. I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale.
What the frick is this dude? What's he trying to sell us?
say to me?
Rip you a new one.
Oh, rip ya a new one. Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's with a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the floor.
Stolen? Good trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Oh, I don't have that kind of money. Oh, that's freaking ridiculous. When do weapons these days get so expensive? I don't care about you freaking tank. Get out of my freaking way, please. I just want to get this done. Get these. Is there any like... Oh, do we actually need to dive... Oh, do we actually need to dive down in there? Oh, well, this is this. It's saying right here. It's the same strategy as the last Let's Plays. Played forever. Okay, just keep freaking navigating through the level and it should be good. I feel like this is the freaking strategy here. Get these bolts over here. Oh my god. Let's climb back up and get these bolts. And get this health pack, because we need it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, we're almost in the final stretch of this level. Press down on that button, because Okay, here's where it starts to get... Oh, frick. This is like the freaking strategy with this level. This way. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, we actually did it. Okay, I am not releasing them, guys. Oh, here's a health pack. Okay. Okay. Get these bolts. Let's go. Get these bolts. Oh.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
What time do we even have on this video? Okay, we'll just do one more round of this stupid hoverboard freaking race. One round, that's it. If I die, I'm not gonna freaking do it over again. Let's just enter. Oh god. Oh, I'm already starting to hate this. Oh, if I die, oh. One more time. Wait, do we actually have to beat this? Oh, wait, we could actually, oh yeah, we actually have to beat this. Oh god. Okay, I see where I'm going to go wrong there. Oh, whoops. Oh, is there 3 laps? Okay, that's ridiculous. Oh my god, get out of here. Wow. I've never seen much more disrespect in my life. Okay. I am terrible at these. I hate these. I think I like the better ones in Going Commando better. This, oh, that's this. Oh, okay, that's a boost. Okay, oh. No, you missed. We're not going to get this. One more time we die and we're ending the video. Oh, frick. We're going to lose anyway. We're 5th place. Well, if I could beat this in one round, I would love it. Okay, no, I'm done. I'm done. Quit. Where's the quit button here? Let's see here. Okay. Okay, please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want the Phantom animatronics to do and Sprang Halo to do the next Let's Plays. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next one.